the honest shepherd. In the quiet hills of Devon lived a poor shepherd named Rowan. One day, while leading his flock along a country road, he noticed a leather pouch lying in the dust. Curious, he picked it up. Inside were shining silver coins, more money than Rowan had ever seen. For a moment, his heart leapt. With this, he could buy food, clothes, and perhaps never go hungry again. But then a thought troubled him. If I take what is not mine, will I ever truly live in peace? Rowan had little, but he had always lived with honesty. He carried the pouch to the market square and called out, asking if anyone had lost it. A tired merchant rushed forward, relief flooding his face. It was his hard-earned money, the lifeline for his family. Moved by Rowan's honesty, the merchant gifted him a flock of healthy sheep. In time, Rowan became one of the most respected men in the valley. The villagers would often say, "Gold may fill your pocket, but honesty fills your life."